Python operator that mimic JavaScript vertical bar operator. I am Python newbie, so maybe don't know if this is obvious or not. In JavaScript, a vertical bar B returns A if A is evaluated to true, else returns B. Is that possible in Python other than lengthy if-else statement?
I believe this is correct. Proof. This is how vertical bar works in JavaScript. This is how all works in Python.
You can simply do. For more complex logic, only for Python 2.5 and above. This is the equivalent to the following, which you may be familiar with from JavaScript.
In Python you can use something like this, which may give you result equals A if A is not false, E not none, not empty, not zero length, else you will get result equals B.
X equals A or B does the same thing.